Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now today, I'm bringing you an honest and complete review of Google Opinion Rewards in 2025. Now if you're wondering, is it worth your time? How much money can you really earn? And basically, the most important question, is it legit or a waste of time? So let's start with basically an overview. What is basically Google Opinion Rewards? I have a Google web browser here, and simply I'm going to type in Google Opinion Rewards right there. As you can see right here, Google Opinion Rewards is a mobile application developed by Google that allow users to earn rewards and basically money by earning surveys. So they receive a notification when a survey is available and earn up to $1 in Google Play credits or PayPal Cash for iOS users. That's going to be per one survey. Imagine if you're answering 100 survey per day, that's easy $100 per day. Alright? So the surveys are quick basically, and this is gonna be how they look like. Alright, let me just zoom it in right there. So the surveys are quick, usually 10 seconds to a minute long, and covers topics like shopping habits, travel, product feedback, places you've visited. Basically, Google wants your opinions to improve the services and market research. And the app is available for Android and iOS in many countries around the world. Now, how to sign up? So basically, you just have to open your Google Play Store. So this is going to be how it should look like. As you can see right there, I don't have any devices portable or compatible for this application since I'm using a browser. So download the application on this platform. Search for Google Opinion Rewards, just like on the search bar. Type in Google Opinion Rewards and install it. It's completely free. Alright? So open it up and sign in. You can log in using a Google account. Just be careful when using a Google account, use the active one because they're going to sign and send you some emails through it. You just have to set up your profile, meaning age, gender, languages you speak, home country should be on that platform as well. Enable location is very important for your questions to be tailor-fitted for you. And that's it. So that's going to be how to get started. Now, how do surveys work? So basically surveys are going to be you'll get a notification. For example, if this is your phone, right? You're gonna get a notification whenever there's a new survey. Most surveys are gonna be 3 to 5 questions long. For example, this one right here. Topics might include did you visit the store recently? Or this one right here. Which of the following desserts from around the world are you familiar with? Which brand do you recognize from these logos? Those are gonna be some of the questions. And it's also important to know that you often have to answer honestly and consistently. Google sometimes throw in test questions to check if you're paying attention, or basically if you're a robot. Just like a CAPTCHA, right? So how much money can you earn? So okay, this is the big question, right? How much money? So here's the honest truth. So in the US and major countries, each survey you should pay between 10 cents, for example this is 88 cents, and $1. Most people earn $2 to $5 per month if they're active, and get regular surveys. Take note, I said get surveys, meaning they don't usually look for it. They don't really have the power to start a survey. They have to have the notification for it. Some users report high earnings if they travel a lot, enable location, and shop frequently in physical stores. Remember guys, surveys are not guaranteed. Some weeks you might not get several, or some weeks you're gonna be high in surveys. Now, what are the payment methods for this one? So under the users, you're going to get by Google Play Balance. Can be found right there. Payment subscriptions. And you're going to have Google Play Balance right here. Now for iPhone users, you're going to get this awesome application, which is PayPal. In many countries, you'll get PayPal cash payouts. Minimum payout is often around $2 or $3, depending on your currency. Keep in mind, funds usually appear instantly or within a few days after you complete a survey. That's why it's really important that the PayPal you're using and the account on your Google Opinion Rewards for the Google is really aligned, or basically they're similar. Now the important question here, is it legit? Says absolutely. So here are going to be the comments right there. So it's developed and operated by Google LLC, meaning there's no hidden fees, no subscription, and no scams. I tried looking for a bad review here, looking for Reddit, Trustpilot, haven't seen one. That said, you sharing some personal information and local data is some privacy sensitive. Keep that in mind, right? So for the pros, as I mentioned earlier, it's free and easy to use. Surveys take only 1 second or a second. Real payouts to Google Play or PayPal, legitimate and trustworthy. Now let's talk about the cons. So cons are gonna be small earnings. Surveys aren't guaranteed, limited to certain countries. Privacy trade-offs if you're sharing your location. That's really important to me. So I don't really share my location that much. So this is gonna be on your end. Take it as a grain of salt if you really want to share your location for a few bucks of money. So the final verdict for this one. It's definitely worth trying if you're looking for an easy passive earnings. As I mentioned here, download the app, answer basic questions, and it will send you surveys around once a week, although it may be more or less frequent. Again, don't expect get rich for this one, but it's a fun way to earn a few dollars for applications, games, or even PayPal cash without much effort. So let's summarize everything up. So basically, what is Google Opinion Rewards? Again, this is going to be an application that's going to be on your mobile devices. Now, is it legit or a scam? It's going to be entirely a legit application. And how much do you earn on it? It really depends on you guys. As you can see in this one, it earned $125, but did almost 521 surveys and 133 receipt tasks. That's a lot, just for $100. Also, they highlighted right here that they're gonna send you surveys around once a week. And those each survey only cost less than $1 sometimes. Although, it may be more or less or frequent depending on your location, of course, and if you're sharing your privacy. So, is it gonna be a good investment? I'm gonna say no, because sometimes you're gonna need that security for investment and cash flow. Next up, the comments are good. Yes, they're gonna be entirely good. It's gonna be 3.5 out of 5. Good comments. That means it's a really legit application. Now, is it still available? Yes, it's still available as of now. However, if you're using a desktop or a laptop, you really can't download it, as you see right here. So is there going to be a workaround to earn more for this one? I suggest earning more devices and logging in your Google account and downloading Google Opinion Rewards on each of the devices and basically have your way at it. Answer surveys on your multiple devices that you own and basically earn from those surveys. But again, guys, take it as a grain of salt. That's only my personal advice to you. Again, do not use this as your personal job or employment. As you can see right here, it only costs you or give you 88 cents for one survey. That's very, very low. Alright? So basically, that's going to be it.